मैं तो कहूँगा कि मुझे बहुत पनिशमेंट नचा नचा के जो पनिशमेंट दी है.
No, actually, I mean, we took.
And for the beauty that we've been waiting for, here she is, Sonakshi. ठीक है, हम आपसे शुरुआत करते हैं. आप ले जाएंगे ना?
बहुत दिनों से मुझे कीड़ा था कि मैं कहीं ना कहीं एक दिन लेट जाऊं और पहली बार और आखिरी बार मैं लेट जाऊं.
But we enjoyed the song thoroughly, and what's beautiful about the song is ये जो डांस का कीड़ा आपका तो है ही, मैं जानती हूँ, लेकिन आपने I think ये ट्रांसफर कर लिया है अजय सर को. I mean I haven't seen this thing in bit. Oh, ये प्रभु जी का कमाल है. तो आपसे ही शुरू करते हैं प्रभु सर. प्रभु जी. Oh yes, what is mic ऐसी. Prabhu sir, thank you so much for yet another full masala film, Action Jackson. Are you wearing black just incidentally क्योंकि Jackson is, you know, related to that color? Are you in this color because of that?
No, I thought everyone will wear black and black. Only I came with black and black.
I'm giving you company, sir. I'm totally giving you
Good
company. Just to ask you कि ये commitment नहीं देते, appointment नहीं देते, punishment देते हैं, तो आपको कभी set पे कोई मौका मिला था इनको punishment देने का? ये तो देते रहते हैं. नहीं आपने इनको दिया कि नहीं?
No.
मैं तो कहूँगा कि मुझे बहुत पनिशमेंट नचा नचा के जो पनिशमेंट दी है.
No, actually, I mean, we took this song when 3 days, I think. Was it? 3 days. So I mean, this time to a little bit I gave, my concentration was fully on Sir, because first time he was dancing and, but he did it, I mean, we already decided to be very stylish and that's it.
एक सिग्नेचर स्टेप आपका हमेशा रहता है. अभी ये जो है, ये क्या मतलब ऑस्ट्रिया में तो मिट्टी भी नहीं है, क्या साफ कर रहे हैं?
First time when we showed, Sir was watching and telling, "Acha, good step, Sonakshi will do it." No, sir, it's for you. What? Me? Prabhu, please. No, sir, you come, sir, you just.
Problem with this? Don't tell me.
I have a problem with everything.
No, actually, then he came to the, I mean, then Sir, sound, do it. And then he just did it. It was okay, no, sir, really? Yeah. Everybody was clapping and it's actually in first take only he did it. And then.
Okay, just a question. It's Elvis Presley in the Jackson title film. I'm sure you knew you were going to be asked this. ये क्या था?
No. It's just a thought. I don't know how it happened, but I thought it's cool for this song.
Yeah, and it looks very funny and nice.
Dancing के अलावा किसी और चीज का कीड़ा है अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं?
I eat a lot sweets.
He eats a lot. So Sonakshi, it doesn't look at all.
I told him yesterday, sir, you're losing weight. She said, yes, dancing.
So that's a mantra.
That was his
Eat sweets and
explanation
dance.
to it.
But Ajay, honestly speaking, what was the hardest thing about dancing? Or do you think it's cool कि action की?
The step and so he made it very easy.
आपने लेकिन काले चश्मे और ग्रीन चश्मे और ब्लू चश्मे पहन के you made it easier for yourself. But Sonakshi is going berserk with her expressions.
She loves dancing. She music लगाओ तो वो सड़क पे शुरू हो जाएगी.
But doesn't that intimidate you? क्योंकि अगर आप देख रहे हो कि आपके सामने लड़की is like fully charged.
No,
and now
it
it's your
doesn't.
turn.
It doesn't. I look at her and say, "That's your job."
What was the hardest step in this song? If I ask you, कि
I really don't know. So many of them. For me, but otherwise not.
No. I think, as he said, we read the actors on first day. So as per his body language, we did it because if it was difficult, it wouldn't have happened in 3 days. It would have gone 5 days,
Longer,
6 days.
yeah.
But we did it very happily. Sir was we kept it.
Trying to dance. What is the कीड़ा?
उसके अलावा ऐसे बहुत सारे कीड़े हैं which I can't speak here.
So I'll go to Sonakshi then. We know you love dancing. What is this song meant to you? If I know, because we all have some kidas within us, and yours is dancing all the way. In fact, she sketches beautifully because she's a designer, and she's come a couple of times in the studio and done that for us. But is there anything else that you've caught on to of late?
Any other kida? Actually, I have quite a few kidas, but the most evident ones are dancing, and then there's of course I'm a very good bathroom singer. So yeah, I like to sing.
So think this is a bathroom. Sing.
Really, with like 1,000 people there, I don't think so.